Hello dears, welcome to our channel. A special recipe to remove wrinkles. Keep your face young and beautiful. Cucumber. Cucumber contains anti-aging ingredients that keep the face looking smooth and youthful.
Dear friends, if you are interested in natural beauty masks, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to write your thoughts in the comments. We are very interested in hearing your thoughts about the video.
Benefits of cucumber for facial skin. Cucumber is a natural skincare ingredient widely used for healthy, fresh, and youthful skin. Here are its main benefits. Deep hydration. Cucumber is about 95% water, which helps keep the skin moisturized. Hydrates dry skin, makes skin soft and smooth, prevents dehydration, reduces puffiness, and eye bags. Its natural cooling effect helps calm tired skin, reduces under-eye puffiness, soothes tired eyes, refreshes the face. Brightens skin, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, improves skin tone, adds natural glow, reduces dullness, soothes acne and irritation. Cucumber has anti-inflammatory properties, calms redness, helps irritated or sensitive skin, supports acne-prone skin, tightens pores, works as a natural toner, minimizes pores, controls excess oil, leaves skin feeling firm. This size of cabbage. Cabbage remove pimples, age spot and remove wrinkles. Leave for 20 minutes before use. Apply it on your face after 20 minutes, and then leave it for 15 minutes. A special recipe to remove wrinkles. Keep your face young and beautiful. It will help you get rid of your wrinkles. You should use it daily for at least 5 days to get rid of your wrinkles.
Like and comment. Audio masa and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video. Leave your thoughts in the